Oh, it's the first time commuting to work in 2024. What is today? March something or another. I don't know. 13th. Yeah, I guess this guy couldn't pull that off, huh? Right now we're showing about 61 degrees. Supposed to go up into the 70s. Our ride in is going to be beautiful. Ride home might be a little bit chilly. Alright, so the overnight low is supposed to get down to like 47. So by the time I'm leaving, it might still be in the 50s. So it's probably not going to be that bad. My ride's not all that long. I'm trying to take as many opportunities as I can to commute to work this year. I did it occasionally last year, but let's see, last year we were based over in Northeast Philly. Not really a concert hall, but you know, just for John. We are in a different airport now, and we moved back in December. We are now based in New Jersey, which means I don't have to cross a bridge. I don't have to pay a toll to go to work anymore. It's kind of like now I've also just kind of come full circle. This airport we are based at is the same airport I did my flight training at. And the flight school's no longer located there. However, this was where I did my my flight training. My first ever paid gig as a commercial helicopter pilot was at this airport. I don't have any pictures, thank goodness, because it was me dressed up as Santa Claus taking kids for helicopter rides. Yep, that was my first job as a commercial helicopter pilot. Oh, another motorbike ahead of us. Woohoo! I went out Monday for a ride and it was super windy, and I probably I think I posted a video about that. We'll see if I decide to edit it or not. Anyway, did not see any other bikes on the road at all. I rode again yesterday, as I took a couple days off from work, because why not? Sometimes you just need that break from being at work Monday through Friday every week. So yeah, I took a couple days off and I rode. Not that much. I mean, the 2 days I did about 270 miles, so, but for staying local, not too shabby. Anyway, yesterday, a lot more bikes out on the road. It was in the upper 60s, kind of similar to what it is today. We're now showing 68. I don't know how that climbed up rather quickly. So unfortunately today I left a little bit late, so I couldn't exactly take the long way to work. But tomorrow maybe we'll leave a little bit earlier. Who in their right mind leaves early for work? You know who does? People who are riding motorcycles, because they get a longer ride that way. It's especially good if you work on oddball time. But we've got a little bit of some fun roads here. Oh, playing golf. Oh, you're gonna wait for this guy too. Oh man, you're just waiting for everybody, aren't you? Obviously not in a hurry. What are those kind of rules for that? No, it's a golf cart crossing. It's not like they're pedestrians. Oh well, that's really that's it. I'm just gonna enjoy my ride to work now.